Welcome to step 3 of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. The purpose of this tutorial is to complete the white face underneath. So as you can see now, we have a white cross happening, but we have all the corner white squares missing. And let's begin. Now, I'm going to show you how to make an adjustment. So basically what I mean by that is this. We have a white square on the left hand side and we have a red square here. Now what you need to do is take the bottom 2 layers and line them up with the red diagonal to match that red there, and then you got the red diagonal here. So this is basically easy. Whenever you see a white square on the left hand side or even a white square on the right hand side, you'll do exactly the reverse situation. So what I want to show you though is what happens when you see white squares on the top, and you're going to have this happen to you, and that's when we need to make an adjustment. So if you have a white square on the top, we'll do it with the right hand side this time. Works the same with the left hand side, but let's do it with the right. Move the right forward and then move the top twice around and then move the right back again. What this has done, it's moved that white square out of the way totally, and now you've got it lined up with a square here like the red square, and then we can bring the layers around until we line it up with another red square. Okay, so let's go through the whole actual sequence now of what happens when you don't have any adjustments to make on top. So what I want you to do, you see there's a white square on the right hand side, there's a red square here lined up diagonally with the red. Go right forward, top forward, right back. You can see we've lined that up now, and it appears underneath here. So now we have another white square that's ended up appearing on top. So let's try to adjust that. And all you need to do, once again, this time we'll move the left side forward. So move the left side forward, move that around twice, so we get him out of the situation that we don't want him in, and then move that back. And now we can find, there's a blue square here. Let's find another blue square that's diagonal. There we go. We have a blue with a blue. We have a white on this side, which is exactly what we want. So this time we're doing it on the left hand side. We go left forward. The top we bring around back. You can see it's lined it up now, and if we put that back now, we have another square, and all we have left now is the one down the bottom here. Let's look around, and here we have to make another adjustment. You can see here that the white square is appearing on top, over the top of this. We don't want to move this forward or back because that's already set up. So what we want to do is take that and move it over here. Oops. And now it's directly opposite an empty square. So we're not messing anything up by moving it now. So move that forward, move it around twice, and now move that back. Now, you've got the white square here and the green square here. Move the bottom 2 layers around until you have a green lined up with another green. Don't worry so much about the corner. It's only these 2 here that you really have to worry about. So now we move right hand side forward, top forward. You can see straight away that it's lined it up beautifully, and right down. As you can see, the white face is totally completed now. And practice lesson 1, 2 and 3, and when you feel comfortable, please move on to lesson 4.